From Wild Environmental Science comes the Extreme Cats of the World kit. Make and paint life-size plaster models. Build a beautiful diorama to display a realistic scene. And assemble an awesome 3D wooden puzzle. The full-colour instruction book and spectacular poster are full of amazing photos and facts about the scariest, the weirdest, the fastest, the most athletic, and the most dangerous big cats on the planet. If you're wild about cats, you'll love Extreme Cats of the World by Wild Environmental Science.